If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Mail call. What's your first thoughts?
I believe this is the Murder Hornet.
Yes. Now, a while back, I was letting Mike Green know the type of pen I was looking for. I just didn't want any of the colored pens that have this so many different colors in them, which is nothing wrong with it, but I feel I have enough. And I was looking for some certain specific styles. The solid colors, which I'm inclined to go with now, are on the list, but this was the one that caught my eye. Mike Green found this, and I will do a review and explain to it where it came from, how it came to be, the whole 9 yards. Because it took a lot to get this all put together the way I wanted it. And I have to show you the killer hornet nib in here. The design on the nib is the killer hornet. Super bad, isn't it? And as soon as I figured what I wanted on the nib, something totally different, which this is, I let Mike know, and Mike got with Spears.
Kirk Spears?
Yeah, Kirk Spears, that does all the nib work for Mike, which does, in my opinion, top notch. I'm totally satisfied with it. Did this. The Hornet. Super bad. My opinion, don't care what anybody says. This is what I wanted. This kicked butt. Love it. So that's the good old Hornet. And we'll do more of this one later. I better put him aside so it won't sting me. And then this comes from a friend of mine, Bill Melon. Thank you, Bill. Let me see what this is. I think it's going to be a ink. What do you think?
That's what would be my guess.
Oh, surprise, surprise, surprise. Oh, look at the color of it, too. I'm digging it. Yep. Is it Rebirth?
Yes.
That's going to be a totally awesome, good-looking color, I think. Look at that color. Now, that's unusual. I do like the color. Well, my friends, that's going to do it for today. Until we meet again, peace and love.